Work out the value of the following. You must show all your working for 4 marks. Our first step when dealing with mixed numbers is to convert them to top-heavy, i.e. improper fractions. To do that, we always keep the denominator the same, in this case 9. We multiply to the side and always add a number on the top. Here 9 times 5 is 45. Add the 4 on the top, gives us 49. Because we know 5 and 4/9 as a top-heavy improper fraction is the same as 49 over 9. And it's still raised to the power negative a half. And that's still multiplied. Again, converting our mixed number into a top-heavy improper fraction, we always keep the denominator the same, in this case 3. We multiply to the side, and we always add a number on the top. Here 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 add 2 gives us 14. So 4 and 2/3 as a top-heavy improper fraction is the same as 14 over 3. And here we're still dividing on the bottom 2 to the power negative 3. When dealing with a negative power, we know a negative power means the reciprocal. In other words, to turn it upside down. So instead of writing 49 over 9, I'm going to turn it upside down and write it as 9 over 49. And it's still in brackets. And we write the power now positive. So instead of writing negative a half, I now write positive a half. It's still multiplied by 14 over 3. And it's still divided by 2 to the power negative 3. Where we have a fraction raised to a power, we apply the power to both the top and the bottom of the fraction separately. So on the top, I'm going to have 9 to the power half. We know power a half means we square at the base. So therefore, on the top, I'm going to have the square root of 9. And on the bottom, I'm going to have 49 to the power half. Well, again, power a half, we know means the square at the base. So on the bottom, I'm going to have the square root of 49. It's still now multiplied by 14 over 3. And we're still dividing by 2 to the power negative 3. We should know that the square root of 9, 9's a square number, so the square root of 9 is 3. And the square root of 49, 49 is a square number. Square root of 49 is 7. So therefore, that simplifies to 3 over 7. I'm still multiplying by 14 over 3. And it's still divided by 2 to the power negative 3. When multiplying fractions, I just multiply the tops and multiply the bottom separately. Well, 3 times 14 gives us 42. And the bottom 7 times 3 gives us 21. And still, we're dividing by 2 to the power negative 3. We know that 42 divided by 21 is 2. And we're still dividing by, on the bottom, we've got 2 to the power negative 3. Well, 2 is the same as 2 to the power 1, because if it has no power above a base, the power is 1. So I've got 2 to the power 1. Here, I'm dividing by, so I can write that as a horizontal line or write a divide symbol. On the bottom here, 2 to the power negative 3. When dividing, if we've got the same base, we can apply laws of indices. We keep the base the same. In this case, our base is 2. Dividing with the same base means we subtract our powers. When subtracting a negative number, we know that a negative actually makes a plus. So now I've got 1 add 3, which gives us 4. So I've got 2 to the power 4. As I'm asked to find the value, well, 2 to the power 4, I know means 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. And 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 gives us 16.